Hi, welcome to Blender 3D Architect. I'm Sarah, and today I want to share a resource with you which works great with Blender. As an architect or artist working with Blender, you often need lots of different assets like textures and furniture models. For that reason, it is always a great idea to collect and save as many assets as you can to build a robust asset library. Do you want to download a lounge chair that works with Blender? The guys from our V-Design shared a model for a lounge chair that you can use with Blender. You can download the model from their Behance profile, where you can get a link to a shared folder on their Google Drive account. I will place the link in the description of this video. You can follow the link to download the file. If you visit their Behance profile, here is the exact location where you can download the chair model. As you will probably notice, once you view the contents of the shared folder, it won't have a native file for Blender. I mean, it doesn't have a .blend file. Instead, you will find files with extensions like FBX or OBJ. They didn't use Blender to create the 3D model, but were kind enough to offer multiple formats that we can use in many different softwares. Can we use those file types with Blender? Sure, but we have to import those files instead of trying to opening them. Let me show you how it works. After downloading the file and extracting the contents in your computer, we can open Blender. There, you have to open the File menu and locate the import options. From the list of available files that we can use, you will see both the OBJ and FBX as options to import external files. An interesting fact about importing files to Blender is that we can add more file types to that list with the use of add-ons. For instance, we have an AutoCAD DXF importer that is pre-installed in Blender. You just have to enable that in your add-ons options. Others require an external download like the SketchUp SKP importer. Let's try the OBJ file. Locate the file you downloaded. For this file, I will use the default options in the importer. Press the import button and wait for it to load. Depending on the size and complexity of the file, it can take several seconds or minutes to process the data. Since this is a chair model, it should load quickly. Here is the file in the Blender viewport. As you can notice from the imported model, we still have to do some work before trying to use the chair in a project. The first thing you should do is to check the dimensions and scale of the asset. That is a critical step for anyone working with architectural designs and visualization. Since we don't have any information related to the scale or dimensions from the author of this model, you should always double-check to see if it is in the correct scale. You can make a quick verification in Blender using the 3D viewport sidebar. Press the N key to open the sidebar and locate the dimensions options. Make sure you have the chair model selected. From what we can see, the model is way too big. We have to scale the asset down to correct the scale. As a reference, a lounge chair usually has about 70 centimeters, or around 28 inches in height. If we apply a scale factor to this model of 0.01, it should correct the scale. To get started, press the S key to start a scale transformation. Once you press the S key, type 0.001. Press Return to finish the transformation. Our model is now with the correct scale and orientation. One last step is to apply the scale transformation and rotation to the model. This is a required step to remove any scale factors and rotation from the model. If you look to the sidebar, you will see that our scale shows a factor of 0.001. It might not seem a problem now, but later, you can face weird effects in the model when applying textures or modifiers to this asset. It is always a good practice to use models with a scale factor of 1. To fix that, you can press Ctrl+A and choose the rotation and scale option. This reset the rotation and scale of the selected model. And we are finally ready. This is our chair model in Blender, and you can start using it in any project. This model has some basic materials, which you can easily replace with high-quality textures later. Make sure you save the file and flag the model as an asset. If you save the file in a folder connected to a library, it will go straight to the Blender asset browser. I hope you liked this resource. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel and enable your notifications to check our latest videos. Until next time.
Bye!